All right, Pete and Joe here. We're just checking in before we make our drive up to our Bow, New Hampshire location. We're leaving Westchester here. It's about 12:30, and you guys are going to come along for the ride. What are we going up for, Joe?
Yeah, so we're going up to do, if you guys have seen, we did a shop highlight on our Charlotte shop. So we wanted to go up to New Hampshire and kind of do the same thing up there, give you guys a look around the shop and show you what we're all about. And we also have a corporate build we're doing for one of the big names in the overland industry.
Yeah.
So we're kind of excited to show that off, but more to come on that later.
Absolutely. We've got some killer builds we're going to showcase while we're up there, which I'm sure you're going to see in subsequent YouTube videos coming out soon. So come along for the ride and let's roll.
Let's go. Woo!
Wow.
Woo-hoo.
Getting on the GW. Here we go.
Hey everyone, we just went through the toll booth, getting on the GW bridge. Got beautiful New York City in our view over here to the right.
We're in a solid axle truck, as you can hear in our voice and shaky camera. Woo-wee.
Yeah, hopefully we get through New York and don't have to look at it.
It's a nice stinky haze.
Yeah.
Lots of smog. And
beautiful Hudson. Could drink out of it, essentially.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're just under an hour out from Bow, New Hampshire, where our shop in New England is located.
It's been a pretty comfortable ride. If you haven't recognized the vehicle that we're in, we'll be unveiling that in some time.
Yeah.
So MLO's got a new rig, and it's pretty good for road trips.
Yep.
Absolutely. It's got 10 gears, and it goes really, really fast with really, really low RPMs.
It's true. So
it's got a really big engine.
It's been a breeze.
Yeah, it's actually, pretty mind-boggling. But more on that later.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the morning. Hey, Pete and Joe, we made it up to our New Hampshire location here.
Yeah, we're in Bow, so...
Absolutely, yeah, we're in our showroom. Thought we'd show you around what we've got kind of on display and in stock.
Yep, let's take a look.
First up, we've got our Evos on display, different finishes, the elusive matte bronze.
Yeah, hard to get.
Anthracite, different bolt patterns as well. JL Stubby ARB bumper, we've got a couple of those in stock here. Some BP51s, which we also have in inventory across our locations.
And over here we got some more like radio communications kind of stuff.
Yeah, GMRS stuff.
I always like to have these on hand because some people are headed out on trail rides. They can stop in, grab a radio real quick.
Yeah, we want to make sure all the Land Rover guys have radios so they can call for help.
Yep.
We also have some control arms, some AEV parts. Kind of moving through, we also do some air compressor stuff up here. Portable twins, we've got the regular twins and some singles back in inventory. We actually keep some brackets in stock, vehicle-specific sleeve mounts for different Toyotas, 4Runners, Tacomas, 200 series. Some recovery gear, ARB, got dip breather kits. Got a pretty hardy lighting display section as well, kind of interactive, featuring some of the different patterns and sizes and models from Baja Designs.
So you want to go take a look at the shop now?
Yeah, let's go out and see some of the big stuff we couldn't fit up front. We try to keep a lot of inventory on hand here in New Hampshire. We have several salespeople that are ready to assist you if you give us a call or live chat us or send us an email. So definitely reach out. Definitely attend some of our trail rides.
Yeah, we got our first trail ride coming up April 24th.
And our open house on April 23rd.
Yeah.
So you can come check out what we got. Maybe even take advantage of some open house deals.
Yeah.
And then get on the trail with us and Ron.
Yep.
We'll be camping out as well, which is always a good time. All right, we're here in our working shop in New Hampshire. Just wanted to go over some of the equipment and show you what we got going on. We've got a bunch of stuff cooking. We've got a lot of campers.
Yeah, we're jam-packed in here
cool
right
stuff
now.
to show you. Right off the bat, we have our brand new Hunter mounter balancer setup with our wheel lift capability for your big old 37s and 40s, make sure we can get them all balanced up accurately and without any damage. We also have several lift bays. This is kind of more of the mechanical side of the shop. We're doing a camper install right now on a big old Ram. We also have some re-gear action happening on this 3rd gen Taco that got suspension.
What gear ratio is going in there?
I believe that's 488 or 529, probably 48. And we have a big old Ford here for some stuff that we'll let you know about a little bit later. See, we're getting a Hawk side dinette installed on this 2500 Ram here right now. We have a nice big doorway. We can actually roll campers right through here, which is really nice. This is kind of where we store stock campers or where we're storing campers that are awaiting installation. In any event, we always have campers on site here in New Hampshire. A lot of customers like taking advantage of that tax-free sale on especially a really high dollar piece of equipment. So we get customers traveling as far away, you know, as the West, you know, Arizona.
We'll get some people gonna hire a car hauler, drop their car off here.
Absolutely, we'll do the build. Save a lot when you combine it with a camper and a full conversion like this flatbed that they're wrapping up here as well. So, and because of that, our team here in New Hampshire has a ton of experience installing pretty much anything. Vans, late model Toyotas, Jeeps, full-size trucks, they really cover a lot of bases here. But
just about everything.
Absolutely, yeah. So right now we got a Hawk. This looks like a Hawk front dinette that's awaiting install. We have 5 AT toppers, Summits, Atlas, Habitats as well. So, you know, again, these units are awaiting installation, but if you are considering coming to look at something, you want to get hands-on something, just because we don't have it listed on the website as currently available doesn't mean we don't have a ton of them here to get your hands on, see the build quality, wrap your head around the idea, and feel a little bit more comfortable with that bigger purchase.
Totally.
We have a big old Ford here, which the team up here in New Hampshire just completed Norwell tray installation, suspension, wheels, tires, big old flatbed Hawk with some custom mods as well. So, you know, this is just a little bit of what the team up here is capable of, but this thing is a monster. And while you're here, you can see our nice, big, extended length rotary lift, so we're capable of picking up these heavier rigs, servicing them safely, and also aligning them. So we have our Hunter Hawkeye system here. You know, there's nothing worse than spending a bunch of money on a big expensive suspension, getting it professionally installed, and then that shop that did all that great work has to take it somewhere else for an alignment. That's not good. Anytime that's happening, you want to shy away from that. You want to go somewhere that has invested in the right equipment and has the correctly trained techs that can go ahead and get you that precision alignment, that high caster alignment if you've got an IFS truck and we're trying to mitigate a rub. And we can really dial it in with this system. All right, thanks for coming along on our shop walkthrough of our New Hampshire location here. As you can see, we've got a killer crew, we've got killer equipment, awesome stuff here. If you're looking for anything to get installed or you're looking to purchase anything, be sure to reach out to our New Hampshire team. You can give us a call at 844-656-7626. You can email us at sales@mainlineeverland.com. And you can also live chat us on our website, mainlineeverland.com.
And if you want to check out some of our other shop tours, click this video here and you can check out our Charlotte location as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that thumbs up button.